So I've been messing around a lot with GPT-3, and recently I told it to act as Jordan Peterson and write a 13th rule for his book, 12 Rules for Life. Here's what it came up with. Wanted to talk to you today about a subject that is very close to my heart, and that is the power of forgiveness. As many of you know, I've written a book called 12 Rules for Life, which has become a bestseller and has helped many people around the world. In this book, I share 12 powerful rules that can help you live a better life. But today I wanted to talk about a 13th rule that I haven't shared before, and that's the power of forgiveness. Forgiveness is one of the most powerful tools that we have at our disposal. It's the ability to let go of the past and move on from hurt and pain and find a way to heal. And it's not just about forgiving others, it's also about forgiving ourselves. Many of us carry around a lot of guilt and shame from our past mistakes.